Mother's Day. How special is your mom to you? This weekend is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. We are special and we should be celebrated. Fathers are special as well, but mothers have gone through a lot when it comes to having children and enduring a lot. So we should be celebrated just a little bit more, to be honest. So for all the mothers out there, you are special and you need to be celebrated. So I am heading to the store to celebrate my mother as well as my daughter, who is a mother herself. Welcome to this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel and like it up. Let's get it on. I am here in the Dollar Tree store just to get a nice gift basket. I was feeling so hungry. And guess what I got myself? A nice beef Jamaican patty. And I tried to put the patty really good because you know when you're hungry, this is spicy Jamaican cola champagne. This is what I needed. Let's head inside of this mall to Bath and Body Works. Heading to Bath and Body Works because I know my daughter would love to have some products. So this is what I will be treating her with. Bath and Body Works. I love Bath and Body Works. So does my daughter. Getting her some products from Bath and Body Works would be a great Mother's Day gift. She also loves candles as well. Doing a hand test is one of the ways I determine what body products I get. I am back from my Mother's Day shopping. I got this nice little basket from the dollar store that I can put my daughter's gift in. This is very cute. The dollar store is not dollar anymore. This little basket is $5. And what I'm gonna be adding into this basket for my daughter is Bath and Body Works products, along with a candle, guys. Candles are essential to your home, and that is why I love to burn candles. So that's for my daughter's gift. I also got something for my mom, which is in this nice little bag. And guys, I won't say what it is because she may be watching this video. So I want to tell you that you can get your Mother's Day gifts on a budget. This is what my basket looks like. All I need to do is to wrap it, and it's Happy Mother's Day for my daughter. Simple and affordable.
Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you guys for watching. Happy Mother's Day.